How to subscribe to a YouTube channel. That no need to sign in using Google account or your email account. I show you a video on how to do it for you to know it. Just keep on watching until the end of this video. Here I am again at your service. Mars raises your YouTuber. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you will be updated in my next video. Let's go and do it now, guys. All you have to do is go to your Facebook app, then open it. Which the shared video to be subscribed was shared there. You must find on your wall the shared video. If you found it, click the video. As you click the video, it go into YouTube. So here you are in YouTube. Just a brief reminder, guys, please don't subscribe a YouTube channel without watching the video. If his or her video is quite long, just watch in just a minimum of 2 minutes and a maximum of 5 minutes, because YouTube will only allow subscribers who will watch the video of the creators. So as you can see, if you like the video, it appears a window sign in, and if you click subscribe, a window appears sign in. So you need to cancel it, because there is a way on how to subscribe without signing in. Have you seen that yellow arrow pointing in the 3 dots? Click that 3 dots. You will brings to open system browser. Some Android phone the name appears is open in YouTube. Click that, and as you click you will go into YouTube. Once you are in YouTube after clicking open in system browser, you can now like and also you can subscribe with it. No sign window will appear. Again, watch the video first just a minute or watch the video until the end, because by watching it you can help the creator of their number watch hour. As a YouTuber they need 4,000 hours. As one of the requirements to be monetized, so it has a big part on watching their videos. Another requirement is they need to reach 1,000 subscribers. So you need also to subscribe while watching the video. So you can do it now. You can now like the video without signing in. No email account is needed. It is also important to like the video as part of your engagement to the creator. Not all times we like that video. So if ever you are not satisfied on that video, just comment on the comment tab. If you have also some suggestions or requests, so you can now also subscribe with no hassle. Once you have subscribed, you can see at the bottom subscription added. And if you want to be updated on his or her next video, if you want to be notified, just click the bell. Then click also that all his or her coming videos you will be notified. After clicking the bell you have click all. You can get notification every time he or she have a new video uploaded. You can check also your subscription by clicking the channel name. As you click the channel name, you can see the word subscribed. It means you have already subscribed on his or her channel. That's all, guys, and I hope you followed all the steps on how to subscribe without signing in. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, baby. And have a nice day.